Okay, students, let's discuss the homework of the previous class. Okay, question number 1. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Find each of the following product. First one, 3 into -1. First one, A part. 3 into -1. So in previous class we have learned that multiplication of integers, the rule for the multiplication of integers, that is when two integers have different sign, multiply and put the negative sign. So we get 3 into 1, 3 and minus -3. When two integers have different sign, multiply and put the negative sign. Second question, B part. -1 into 225. Okay, again the rule comes when two integers have opposite sign, different sign, multiply and put the negative sign. So the answer is -225. C part, -21 into -30. So here we have two integers, -21 and -30. So both are negative. So when two integers have same sign, multiply and put the positive sign. So we get answer 630. Positive 630. Now comes question D. D part, -316 into -1. Okay, so here we have two integers, both are negative, same sign. So multiply and put the positive sign. So positive 316. Even if you don't put the positive sign, it doesn't matter. Positive sign, it will be considered as positive. Okay, next E part, -15 into 0 into -18. Here we need to be very careful. We can see three integers. Out of these three integers, one integer is 0. And you know that when you multiply any integer, multiplication by 0. Last week we discussed the property multiplication by 0. When you multiply any integer by 0, the answer will be 0. So here three integers are there, out of which one integer is 0. So the answer is 0. Okay, even if the other integers are having the same sign, it doesn't matter because the two integers are multiplied with 0. Okay, F. F part, -12 into -11 into +10. Okay, here we have three integers again. One is negative, the other one also negative. So they have same sign and here it is positive. When they have same sign, and also we have learned in the previous class, when the negative sign comes even number of times. Even number of times means 2 times, 4 times, 6 times and so on. Then answer will be positive. Okay, so answer is positive when you multiply 12 and 11. Okay, we will get 132 into 10. So 1,320. Okay, now comes question G. G part, 9 into -3 into -6. Here also we can see one positive and two negatives. Negatives occur 2 times. 2 times means even times. So it will be, answer will be positive. When two integers having same sign, answer will come positive. So 9 into 3, 27. 27 multiplied by 6. 27 multiplied by 6, so 162. It's positive. Okay. Then h part, negative 18 into negative 5 into negative 4. Okay, here first always multiply the numbers. Multiply the numbers first and then we can check the signs. Okay, so 18 into 5, 90. 90 into 4, 9 fours are 36 and add 1 0. Do the easy way of multiplication. 18 into 5 is 90. 0. 90 into 4. 0 you can avoid and 9 fours are 36. Then add 0. 360. Now count the negative sign. 1, 2, 3. So negative sign has come 3 times. 3 times means it's odd number of times. 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Odd number of times. So the answer will come negative. So negative 360. Next one. Next question is negative 1 into negative 2 into negative 3 into 4, positive 4. First let's multiply the numbers. Okay, multiply 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. Then check the sign, count the sign. 1, 2, 3. 3 negatives and 1 positive. You need to just check on the negative signs. Okay, negative signs are coming how many times? So negative 1 here, 2, 3. 3 times negative has come, which means odd number of times. When odd number of times negative comes, in the result it will be negative. So remember that fact. When negative comes even number of times in the multiplication, the answer will be positive, and negative comes odd number of times in multiplication, the answer will be negative. Okay. So next question. Negative 3 into negative 6 into negative 2 into 1. Negative 1. Okay, let's multiply the numbers. Come on, let's multiply the numbers. 3 into 6. 3 into 6. 3 times 6. 3 into 6 is 18. Okay, 18 into 2. 18 multiplied by 2. 8 2s are 16. 1, 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 36. So 18 into 2, 36. 36 into 1. So answer is 36. So the multiplication is done. Now we have to check the signs. Negative 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So how many times negative sign has come? Yes, 4 times. So when negative sign has come 4 times, 4 is odd or even? 4 is even. So it would be positive. So positive 36. Okay. So that completes the first question in the homework. Now I have given you the third question. Okay, let's take the third question. What is third question? First part. Question number 3, first part. The question is, for any integer a is an integer, for any integer a, what is negative 1 multiplied by a? This was the question first part. For any integer, a can be any integer, positive or negative. Okay. Now, when you multiply a with negative 1, what is the answer? Okay. What is the answer will come? Answer will come negative a. Okay, so here a is a normal integer, can be positive or negative. So minus 1 into a is equal to minus a if a is positive. A can be a positive integer or negative integer. Okay, if a is negative, what happens? If a is negative, if the integer is negative, negative and negative will make the positive, positive a. So remember, it has two conditions for any integer a, which means if a is positive, positive and negative answer will be negative a, and if a is negative, negative and negative will become positive a. For example, I will give you an example. Negative 1 into, example, negative 1 into 3. Okay, negative 1 into 3. Here a is positive. Okay, so positive 3 and negative 1. Positive 3 and negative 1. Different sign. So when you multiply, it will become negative 3. That is negative a. Okay, so when you multiply negative 1 with a positive integer, the answer will be negative 3. Second example, negative 1 into negative 3. A is negative 3. When a becomes negative, negative and negative will make positive 3. Okay, that is the answer of the first part with the example. Now, second part is second part. Second part. Okay. Determine the integer whose product with negative 1. Just now I explained. Negative 1 multiplied with dash is equal to, the answer is negative 22. Okay. What did we see in the previous part? When a negative 1 is multiplied by a positive number, then only the answer comes negative. Okay, so what should be multiplied here? Positive 22. Check the answer. Negative 1 into positive 22 only gives you the answer negative 22. Next one, 37. What should be multiplied with negative 1 to get the answer 37? Positive 37. Okay, we had seen in the previous part. Answer comes positive, then we need to multiply with negative 1, the opposite sign, negative 37. So what is the answer? It's opposite, additive inverse. Negative 37 should be multiplied with negative 1 such that the answer will be positive 37. Okay, next one. Negative 1 multiplied with what? Makes the answer 0. That is very easy. We have learned already. The answer becomes 0 when you multiply any number with 0. So multiplying any number with 0 gives you the answer 0. Okay. So remember the fact. What is the fact we learned? Negative 1 multiplied with a. If it is positive a, then it will be answer negative a. Okay. Then negative 1 multiplied with, if the integer is negative a, then the answer will be positive a. This is the fact we have used in the second part. Okay. Then comes the fourth part. Fourth part. Fourth part is, fourth question. Starting from negative 1 into 5. We have again starting with the multiplication of negative 1 with 5. Coming down, show the pattern till negative 1 into negative 1. So let's do the pattern. Same thing what you have learned. Negative 1 and positive 5. What is the answer? Negative 5. This has to be continued till we get this result. What is the result? Negative 1 into negative 1 is equal to positive 1. We have to continue this pattern up to negative 1. Okay, next one. Negative 1 into 5. Negative 1 means it's going to the left from 5, then 4, number line. Look at the number line. We are starting from 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, 0, negative 1. So we are moving to the left. Okay. So negative 1 into 4. It is negative 4. Next, negative 1 into 3. which is negative 3. The negative is coming because both are having different sign. Next, negative 1 into 2, which is negative 2. Okay, then negative 1 into 1, which is negative 1. Next, negative 1 into 0, which is 0. Then next left, negative 1 into negative 1. It becomes positive because all these are positive. Now it is changed to negative. So two negatives make positive. Okay, that is the pattern we have seen to reach to the answer from the negative answer 0 to the positive answer. So this has completed our homework.